The crypto market crashed today. Why did it crash? What is going on? Is the market still bullish? Should we be worried? Should we be concerned? Should we be selling? Well, in this video, we're going to be going over what is going on in the crypto market, and you do not want to miss what I have in store for you today. So make sure you stick around to the very end of this video. So if we take a look, cryptocurrencies had a pretty big dump today. For Ethereum, about 6%. But from the top, bottom to the top, 10%. We take a look at Bitcoin, we're seeing the same thing. So from bottom to the top, about 10%. We saw a pretty big correction. Why did the correction happen? Is there any bad news that's driving this? No, it's just because people are taking profits. The market was starting to get weak. But if we zoom out here, I have good news for you, very bullish news. That this is barely a blip on the radar here. I mean, look at this. If we zoom out from the bottom to the top, it's not that big of a correction. We could continue heading lower, of course. We could keep correcting a bit further. But overall, we are still in a very strong uptrend. Here's the lows, and even if we come down a bit further, it's just going to be a higher low. So the bullish market structure is still intact. Everything is good. And this is not even that big of a correction, nothing you should be worried about. But let's go ahead and take a deep dive into technical analysis. I'm going to share with you my thoughts and where I think we are likely headed, what's going on. So Bitcoin is holding this key support here. It's been holding this support. It's still holding this support. Every single time we come to this level here, we bounce up. So Bitcoin is still holding so far. If Bitcoin breaks under here, then we could see a pullback to about 32,000 and change, somewhere around 32,000, which is going to be a very, very key and important level for Bitcoin, something like that. So from our current level to 32,000, it's another 9%. So we could correct 20%, which is very typical in a bullish market, a very bullish environment. 20% corrections, 30% corrections before continue heading up. The reason why this happens is because you have a lot of people that bought at the bottom, they bought here at very low levels, and they're just taking profits. So the whales, they're distributing their profits into the market, and guess what happens? People panic sell, the market just comes down, it corrects. It's normal volatility, it's healthy. That's what allows the price to go up further. People have to take profits. You also have a lot of people sitting on the sidelines that missed the whole move up that are trying to get in because they understand that we are in a bull market and that prices are going to be going up a lot further. And we have to understand overall that everyone is expecting this ETF to be approved, which is very, very, very surely likely to be approved, and to potentially be approved at any moment. So people are holding, like me, a lot of investors are holding right now because they know when this news comes out, it's going to be very, very bullish for the crypto market, at least in the short term and in the long term. And in the short term, if we get a Bitcoin ETF application approved, or all of them, which they are saying that's going to happen, all of them at once, we could get a massive candle to like $50,000, $60,000 and beyond very, very quickly. And the pump can last several weeks, just like we've been witnessing a pump for Bitcoin and Ethereum and altcoins for the last month or so. I think we will get another type of rally like that. And then of course, another correction, and who knows what goes on from there. But overall, we have the halving next year. We have the Fed, they're going to be cutting rates. We have bullish inflation data coming today. So things are looking really good. They're setting up very good for us to have the biggest bull run we've ever had, ever. So take a look at this trade. I'm up over 18% today, just about $1,000 on this trade using Femex. If you guys want to trade Femex, use my link below. And they're going to give you free discounts and free money to trade using this link, where you can long and short cryptocurrencies. I'm long on Ethereum right now. And I also put out a trade alert in my group. As we see here, I put a trade alert out to buy Ethereum, and people made a lot of money by following my alerts. If you guys want to follow my alerts, you can join my VIP Patreon. The link for that is going to be in my video description, where I'm putting out profitable trade alerts every single week guaranteed. As well, look at this. We have a sell alert for Bitcoin on the 4-hour time frame, and guess what happens? We get a huge crash. We go to the 1-hour time frame, we can see that the sell alert, the red diamond, came way before the crash, and it works for every single cryptocurrency. This thing would have caused you to sell before a big crash, where you can scoop up the dip at incredible discounts. If you guys want to try Algosniper, you can try it today for free at algosniper.com. The link will be in my video description. That's going to be it for this video. So if you guys got something out of the video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and I'll see you later.